Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see how to get this year, this month till yesterday sale. Okay, so I want to get this year, this month, only this month sale, but till yesterday sale of a table. Okay, so I will see we will see in Power BI and Tableau both how it works in calculation. So here you can see this is our table. Here you can see this is our table. So just one second. This is city, bill date, sales, year. Okay, this is our table. So what I have to do first in Power BI, we have to create first year column. Here you can see this is my year column. So what I did, year of bill date. Then I need month column. Then I need day column. So I created individually all these three columns. Okay, then what I did, here you can see this is our DAX. So first we took a variable. This will see this is today minus 1. Okay, day will be today minus 1, that means yesterday. Another variable, it will take month of today. Another variable, it will take year of today. Then I am returning calculate total sales. Then I am filtering where the what I created individually, this month column, if this month equals to our variable of month or not. Okay, then another condition, if our year column is equals to our variable year column or not, our variable year or not, then our day should be less than equals to CC, that means today minus 1, that means yesterday or not. These three conditions should be checked. Okay, then if it is matching, then we can get total sales till today's this month is August, 1st of August to yesterday, that means 24th of August. We will get the total sales of like this. Okay, in Tableau we can do the same thing. Here you can see in my Tableau calculation, here you can see same data set. So bill date, city and sales. Here you can see first sales is 9th August in quota, second sale is 23rd, fourth sale is, third sale is 24th, and today is 25th, but I do not want 25th sale, I want till 24th sale. Okay, so these three sales should be come. So what I did, so here you can see this is your calculation. Here you can see if dated if, I used dated if function. So what dated if function will do, it will check what is the time duration, what is the time difference between first date and the second date. So what is the first date here? What is the first date? First date is bill month, bill date. So from the bill date and today, it will check from the bill date to today, but which month? So here you can see I put month and equals to 0. So what is equals to 0 means? Equals to 0 means this month. Okay, equals to 0 means this month. So it will check of this month what is the date difference between first date and today. Okay, then I need another condition, because I need the sales till yesterday, and day of bill date should be less than equals to today minus 1, that means yesterday. Today minus 1, that means yesterday. Okay, if these conditions matches, then I need sales, then end. Okay, so if I put like this, these sales will come. Okay, the sales will come. Now another thing, I need what was the previous year sales. So for what was the previous year sale till yesterday, that means what was the previous year sales, 2023 sales from 1st of August to 24th of August, what was the previous year sales. So for that in Power BI, what we can do simply year minus 1. Okay, so if I do year minus 1, then you can see these are the sales of previous year. Okay, but in Tableau, what we have to do in edit calculation. So in edit calculation we have to change simple thing. Here you can see this is minus, this is equals to 0, right? That means this is this year. So if I want to get previous year sales of this time duration, current time duration, so what I have to do, I have to go back to previous 12 month sales. That means I have to put it here 12. Okay, so if I put 12, that means it will go to previous year of this time duration. So if I do like this, here you can see same data, 3rd of August Delhi, 11th of August and 23rd of August. So here also 3rd of August, 11th August and 23rd of August. Okay, so like this we can do this year and previous year till yesterday sales from the first day of the month in Power BI and Tableau. I think you understood this tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.